So, like it was for the agri-economics and the animal production students, crop production students can also go choose their browser, any of the browser. Just type crop production project topics for undergraduates, but you might spice your own up with by being specific. For example, if you are working with soil scientist, or you are working with agronomist, or you are working with entomologist, you might adjust your own if you don't get exactly what you want. But what you have to do is that when you type crop production project topics for undergraduate, just click of any of those websites to get hints on what to pick. For example, let me go with this first. I've opened the website now. The use of biofertilizer produced from fermented organic waste in the production of okra. If you can look at it, you can get okra seed, maybe improved variety or any of them. Then you can easily make biofertilizer from fermented organic waste. So if you can do it, you have to also know that if you have the strength, because sometimes if you choose the topic that are very difficult for you because you need energy. If you're in crop, you really need energy to do your project. So let's look at the second one, the influence of most of NPK fertilizer on what on improved cassava varieties in Nsukka southeastern. What you have to do is that you can confirm wherever you are, can you plant cassava? Are they farming cassava in the area? If you plant cassava, will it grow? So you have to consider that, because you have to look for what you can plant and that will grow in that area. What are they farming in that area? And it doesn't matter if they are not farming in mass due to whatever reason, but where you want to carry out the project, would the cassava grow there? If it's going to grow, you don't have a problem, you can go along with it. Let's do the study of leaf spot disease eggplant. So that you can see this one on and its management with some botanicals. This is for entomologists. So you can check the leaf spot disease. This is fairness. You can see that at the website now there's for entomologist, there is for also an agronomist here. So when you click on this, it will give you something like this. Let's say what we have here. Then you can see that you have to read this and pick maybe I don't know if this one have a, let's check introduction. If there's objectives there, you can, yes, you can also go along with this objective. It's fine. Evaluate the nutrient content of the plant organic waste material before and after the fermentation. Assess the efficacy. So you can go with this project. When you get to your supervisor, please do not just copy online. Those people are experts. So if you do anything like you want to outsmart them, you are going to get caught, and that will be a very serious problem for you. Just do justice to it, so that just work on it and carry out your, they say, pots and feed trial of three assertions of mongering. If you can do it, fine. If you can't, just look for another topic you can do. There are enough topics here that you can just go, and there are enough topics, but don't choose the one. For example, don't choose the crop they are not, that cannot grow where you are. It's very important, you have to consider that. And also the process that required to carry out your project, you have to check if you have enough strength to carry it out. Just don't go to a big project that you don't have the energy for, because some, female do not have the same energy as the male. So there will be problem. You have to look at it, what you are capable of doing. So and also the cost of those seeds, because sometimes the and when you are carrying out your analysis too, you have to pay for it. So you have to also check that before you pick your topic. Let's see, is there any other topic that I can? So she's solid with NPK fertilizer on growth and yield of maize. If it can grow in that environment, it is fine. You can go along and pick. So that's what I think. Let's check use of biofertilizer from fermented organic waste. Okay, we've checked on okra. and study of leaf spot disease. Okay, we've also said talked about that. Okay, now effect of six weed management. If you are maybe a scientist or you are dealing with somebody that into weed control and growth on planting, you have to consider is there planting? Definitely, you cannot do this one. You cannot do this one. It's not for undergraduate. It's for postgraduate because what you just have 3 months to carry out your project. So to be very difficult. Let's also look further if we are going to get something. Okay, look at it. Oh, let's also so just ensure. Okay, let's come response to sulfur and zinc study. You can also do this project as well. You can do this project as well. Depends on where you are and if you can carry out the. So kindly subscribe to the click on the subscription button below so that you can get a notification when we have a new video, and also click on the likes button. You can also make use of the comment section and tell us whatever you want. If you are not clear, then for your subsequent, when you are done with your project topics, you'll always check out this channel for update, or you can make a request from us, then we are going to help you. This channel is just to guide you throughout your project period, to avoid doing wrong thing, because sometimes if you go wrong, it's going to be bring a very. Look at this one: effect of harvesting frequency on leaf and pod yield of fluted pumpkin in OED. You can do it have to in wherever you have. You don't have to put OED. Pod yield on the fluted pumpkin. You have to check if you plant your pumpkin, how long will it take to grow, or will you be able to carry out your research on fluted pumpkin. So make sure you do the right thing. You don't have to put problem solution of production and processing of cassava. If you can plant cassava where you are, it's fine. You just have to change